Hello everybody, so this time it's a part 2 of, the super screechy noise, but instead it's an updated one, it's a different one, it's a dog whistle, so it's going to be super screechy and I can change the noise, which is really cool. And this one's super screechy and everybody gets mad when I do it, so I'm probably going to get in trouble, so let's do this. I'm going to take my brother. It's working out pretty good so far.
Get a nice house, and then when I get a little older, I
Hey, Mom.
Become like a school nurse.
Hey, Mom.
Still make good money, but not have crazy hours
Hey, Mom.
like a hospital nurse.
Hey, Mom. Mom.
There's a lot you can do as a nurse. Love you. I don't even hear it. What's he doing? Am I deaf?
Yeah, you can't hear that?
No.
My mom can't hear it out. It hurts my ears. Okay, so I'm going to stop this. Everybody's getting mad at me. Bye. If you want to see part 3, which I probably will do, because I like getting, I like this stuff. So let's do this. I'm going to end this. Bye.